Hey, what's up, everyone, and welcome back to NCCN Central. I'm your host, Josh, back again, and today we're just going to go for a stroll to the woods because that sounds fun. Why not? Is it just me? Or do these weeds look suspiciously like corn dogs? There's like bugs and butterflies everywhere. It's crazy. It is. So this is where this trail leads. So you may think we're done here, but we're far from it because there's actually another trail that I have not taken yet. So I'm gonna go have some more fun and do that. This is the trail we just finished, but I've never been on this trail, so I have no clue where this leads. So let's find out. I like how you're just walking, and then we just find these two sewer grays just chilling here. That's nice. Do you see it? It's a heron just chilling there. How beautiful. I just figured out this trail is a lot shorter than the other one because it simply leads up here. And that's about it, I think. I'm not sure if it comes through on camera, but there is an insane amount of bugs everywhere. It's also like how this is the first nice day in like a week, and I chose to wear pants and a long sleeve shirt. When yesterday it was like 20 degrees colder and I was wearing shorts and short sleeve. But I need to change. So that about does it for that. Say bye. But the day is yet to be over, and there's still much more to do. So to elaborate a little bit on what I just said, later today there's gonna be a fishing competition being held in my neighborhood. I decided to enter. Apparently it's annual. I never heard of it until now. Of course, never gotten to fish until now. So that's in a couple hours. I will try to vlog that if they allow me to. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Here's the rod I'll be using. It's a little tangled. I gotta fix that. But it's pretty good. I'm using fake bait because I'm too cheap for real bait, obviously. And yeah. Let's hope all goes
awfully good too. Those two. Try and space out, everybody.
Hold him up, Logan.
I know.
There you go. All right.
You can watch it though.
Yep.
Nice.